Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm here at IBC 2012 where I'm pleased to be joined by Sanford from Thuraya. Now Sanford, tell me, how are you supporting the broadcast and media companies in the industry?
We currently have customers from all over the world. We started out with some Middle East broadcasters and we've since been expanding. We have some of the best known customers from the industry, including Al Jazeera, and then CNN, BBC, Alan. Recently we've opened an office in Singapore and we now have some media customers that we're engaging with from Malaysia and Indonesia, including Media One and Metro TV. And basically the core products that we sell to the media customers include our original handheld voice telephones, which have been in use for 12 years by media customers, and then more recently the big product has been our satellite modems and high-speed broadband products, which media customers are using to be able to stream video from the field back to their studios.
Now, you're also working through partners and distributors, and we're on the QuickLink stand. Why is that important to you?
Well, we provide the satellite service, and we, through our network of device vendors, provide the satellite devices. But in many cases, it's important to have additional solutions or software products that can optimize the experience, optimize the quality, and also optimize the cost for the media customers. QuickLink is a company who makes video compression equipment, which works very nicely with our satellite equipment, and we have certified them and a number of other companies who are competitors of theirs, and we're trying to move from being a satellite access provider to being a solution provider, and so we've got a whole new solutions team inside of Thuraya who's going out and trying to identify solutions for each sector. And so QuickLink is one of the very important elements for making our service work in an optimal way for media customers.
Now, very quickly, what is it that Thuraya can deliver to media and broadcast companies that sets you apart from other people?
Well, some of the features, I think our Thuraya IP device, which I'm pointing to there, is the smallest mobile satellite terminal in the industry. So that means that a news cameraman can carry it in his backpack, and so he now needs to only have this very small battery-powered device along with his laptop running the QuickLink software, and finally his camera, and he can throw all that in a backpack and be able to file a story from anywhere. And he can also be very discreet. In some cases, some of these zones that they're filing these stories from they need to be very discreet. So the size of the Thuraya IP is a huge advantage. Another advantage is we are able to do what we call asymmetric streaming. So we can provide different speeds for the up and down links, and this is very cost effective. Some of our competitors do not offer this, and it's very cost effective for media companies who are streaming video back. So those are some of the things that we think are real advantages.
What other developments have you got in the pipeline for the media and broadcast sector?
Well, we have a number of things that are going to be announced very soon. I can at least hint that we are expanding our line of terminals. We're coming out with a new update of this one. We have a new high-speed terminal that we're working on, which is due to be delivered sometime next year, and we will be announcing that quite soon. We have some other telephony products, one very exciting one, which again has not been announced, so I can't really just talk about it too much, but it is going to be announced later this year, which we think will be more of a mass market kind of telephony product for the market. So we have quite a lot in development right now. Probably there are going to be 4 major product announcements coming up before the end of this year.
Well, we look forward to those. But finally, what do you see as the future trends moving forward?
Well, of course, bandwidth. Getting more bandwidth is always a challenge, especially for media customers who are streaming video. There seems to be an insatiable demand, so getting more bandwidth is a key thing. And so one of the ways we're looking to do that is through convergence with other satellite operators, partnering with fixed operators like Yasat, who's in the booth with us today, so we can sell their fixed solutions together with our mobile solutions. That's definitely a trend. And then convergence with fixed line GSM networks. That's another thing. Thuraya is the only mobile satellite operator who offers a dual mode phone that can work on satellite or GSM. And the idea of having this convergence of networks we think is good for the customer. It allows them to have the best coverage and the best cost. And so we're looking at ways of bundling services. So I think that's a trend that's you're going to be seeing more and more of.
Sanford, thank you very much.
Thank you.